Once again, good morning, students. Today we will see or discuss excretion. So first of all, you come to know what is excretion. So excretion is a process. क्या है बेटा ये? Process of removal of nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste क्या होता है? Nitrogen containing waste. For example, CO2 is not nitrogenous waste. Okay. So nitrogen containing waste in our body mainly is urea and uric acid. Uric acid. So process of removal of nitrogenous waste, urea and uric acid. Ammonia is also nitrogenous waste from the body is called what? Excretion. In our body, for the removal of this nitrogenous waste, urea and uric acid, we have a system. The name of that system is called क्या? Excretory system. Excretory system. This excretory system means, excretory means you understood that process of removal, and system means group of organ working together, okay, in coordinated manner. So for the expression, we have a system called excretory system. This excretory system is made up of, number one, it is made up of one pair of kidney. One pair of kidney means two kidney we have. Second is one pair ureter. Third, only one, not pair, one urinary bladder. One urinary bladder we have. And fourth, one urethra. Okay. So these are the names of the organs of our excretory system. See, all the excretory, this excretory system is body. These two kidney, in which one is in the left side and another is in the right side. So this is right side beta and this is left side up suppose. So the right side kidney is little smaller in size. This is right kidney, which is little smaller, okay, and this is left kidney, which is little bigger in size. The reason is why it is right kidney is slightly lower in a position, okay, and left kidney is slightly higher in position. Like heart. Heart is also protected by a membrane called pericardium. So in the same way, this kidney is also protected by a membrane. That membrane is called a capsule. Okay. So see the complete structure of the kidney, this excretory system. These two excretory kidney we have. This is the shape of kidney is bean shaped. This is left kidney. This is right kidney. The blood vessels please supply blood to the name of this artery is a renal artery. This name of this artery को क्या कहेंगे? Renal artery. Renal artery. So in the renal artery, oxygenated but urea laden bloods are there. कैसा blood है? Oxygenated plus यूरिया laden. यूरिया से भरा हुआ ब्लड है. This kidney is also made up of nephron because organ is made up of cells tissue na. So this nephron is made up, this kidney is made up of nephron beta. So the cells of nephron also need oxygen for getting energy. Okay. So the blood, the renal artery contain oxygenated blood, means this oxygen will be used by the cells of the nephron to get energy, and as this blood comes, it will filter out the urea and uric acid, which are the waste material present in the blood, that will be filtered out. Okay, so the oxygen is used by the cells of the kidney for getting energy, and in the cells of the kidney means nephron, this urea will be filtered out, and the blood which comes out from the kidney, that by a vein, that vein is called renal vein. Okay, so here I am drawing another vein, that is, suppose this is renal vein. So in the renal vein, the blood come back from the kidney. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? इधर से ब्लड आकर के इसमें जा रहा है और इसमें जा रहा है, जहां पर ऑक्सीजन यूज हो रहा है एनर्जी के लिए, एंड यूरिया का फिल्ट्रेशन हो जाएगा. बाकी यहाँ पर फिल्टर होने के बाद जो ब्लड आएगा, ये ब्लड कहाँ आएगा बेटा? रीनल वेन में आएगा. इसका नाम क्या हो गया? रीनल वेन. सो इन द रीनल वेन ऑक्सीजन ब्लड कैसा होगा? डीऑक्सीजनेटेड प्लस यूरिया फ्री. इसमें कोई यूरिया नहीं होगा, छना हुआ है, और ये दोनों से ही आएगा बेटा, इधर से भी आ रहा है इसमें, और एक खून जा रहा है, इसमें खून आ रहा है, उसमें ब्लड जा रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये तो बात समझ में आ गया कि किडनी में जो ब्लड सप्लाई करता है, जो लेके जाता है, वो आर्टरी होगा, बिकॉज आर्टरी सप्लाइंग ब्लड टू द organs. So in the artery, oxygenated and urea laden blood, in the cells of the kidney, oxygen is used for the oxygenation and urea will be filtered out. So blood which is coming out from the kidney contains deoxygenated blood but urea free. Clear? Now from this both kidney one tube comes out. That tube को क्या कहते हैं? Bladder. That tube is called a ureter. ठीक है, ये ट्यूब जो है, ये ट्यूब में क्या आ रहा है? छन्ने के बाद यहाँ यूरिन आ रहा है. यहाँ पर क्या भरा होगा? यूरिन. सो दिस टू यूरेटर वी हैव, इसका नाम क्या है? यूरेटर. ओके, फ्रॉम बोथ किडनी अ ट्यूब लीव and for transport of urine, that tube is called ureter. There is two ureters in our excretory system. From the left kidney, one ureter comes, that is called left ureter and right ureter. Okay, and main function of this ureter क्या है बेटा? Transfer the urine from kidney to bladder. ये क्या यहाँ हमने बनाया है? Bladder. ये क्या है? Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. और ये क्या है, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर से बाहर। यूरिनरी ब्लैडर का मेन फंक्शन क्या हो गया, इट स्टोर्स द यूरिन टेम्पररी, 1 आवर, हाफ एन आवर, 2 आवर्स के लिए ये यूरिन को स्टोर करेगा। एंड आफ्टर दैट the when pressure is exerted on the wall of this bladder, then urea comes out through the urethra. So this is urethra. The main function of urethra to remove the urine from bladder to outside, exterior, time to time. Clear? So these are the way these organs of the excretory system to kidney, urine, bladder and urethra. Okay. Now see the structure of kidney. This kidney is bean shaped है बेटा, and its length is approximately 7 centimeter length. लेंथ कितना है, 7 सेंटीमीटर। विड्थ कितना है, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 4 to 5 सेंटीमीटर। एंड थिकनेस कितना है, 2 to 3 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, सो दिस इज द अप्रोक्सीमेटली साइज ऑफ द किडनी। नाउ ईच किडनी हैज, if you were cutting the transverse section, then this kidney is divided into 2 parts. Outer part of the kidney, this outer part को क्या कहते हैं, cortex, and inner part को क्या कहते हैं, medulla. Okay, on this kidney के ऊपर एक membrane जो है उसको क्या बोले, capsule. इसके ऊपर क्या है, कैप्सूल। ठीक है, on one important things to note there, that on both kidney one gland we have beta, that is called adrenal gland. So this adrenal gland is endocrine gland of our body that secretes many hormones like glucocorticoid, mineralocorticoid, and etc. So this is the main structure of the internal structure of the kidney. Now this kidney is made up of cells. That cells are called क्या, nephron. So the structure and functional unit of kidney को क्या कहते हैं, nephron. This kidney is made up of, क्या चीज से बना हुआ है, nephron से. So what is nephron? Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss the structure and function of the nephron. Okay, go.